Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the SatoshiDEX token. Now this token is live for pre-sale right on their webpage. Looks like they're having a very successful pre-sale. They've already raised over $4.1 million. Doing insanely well here. Ticker symbol is SATX, and we're going to go over the information on the SatoshiDEX token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to try to remember to leave a link to the pre-sale down there in the description box and in the comment section, so you guys can easily find this pre-sale. If I forget, which I might, there is a link to their Twitter right in the corner of the screen over there, at SatoshiDEX_AI on Twitter. They also have a Telegram at SatoshiDEX AI, and their webpage is SatoshiDEX.ai. On their webpage, you can just connect your wallet if you're interested in joining the pre-sale. It says the token price, and then it has a countdown at the top of their page until the next price increase, which is going to be around 5 days or so until the next price increase. Looks like you can buy the token with all sorts of different things like ETH, USDT, USDC, BNB, Matic, AVAX, you name it, Arbitrum, all different things you could buy the token with. So you just connect your wallet. You will put in how much, say, ETH you want to spend, and then it'll tell you how much SatX tokens you get for that amount, and then you would click, buy or whatever button it says there. And then at the end of the pre-sale, you'll be able to claim your tokens at a specific date. And I would follow their socials to stay up to date with which day the pre-sale's going to end and all that type of stuff, right? So SatoshiDEX is a decentralized exchange built on the SatX blockchain, a layer 2 blockchain connected to Bitcoin through proof of transfer POX consensus. Inspired by Uniswap, SatoshiDEX facilitates peer-to-peer trading of digital assets while offering several unique advantages due to its integration with SatX. So they have a white paper that will outline the key features and benefits of the SatoshiDEX, its architecture, tokenomics, and roadmap for development. And you can find that on their webpage, or you can just go to satoshidex.gitbook.io. So they have the DeFi problem statement, which basically involves security and stability, community-driven evolution, and regulatory clarity. And so they are leveraging a layer 2. SatoshiDEX, a decentralized exchange built on the Bitcoin network, leverages the layer 2 SatX blockchain solution to achieve the dual goals of security and scalability. By building on SatX, SatoshiDEX strikes a crucial balance between security, scalability, and community-driven innovation. This strategic choice enables the project to offer a secure, efficient, and accessible DeFi experience on the Bitcoin network, ultimately contributing to the wider adoption and advancement of decentralized finance within the Bitcoin ecosystem. SatX is a Bitcoin layer for smart contracts. It enables smart contracts and decentralized applications to trustlessly use Bitcoin as an asset to settle transactions on the Bitcoin blockchain. The initial version of SatX, launched in early 2021, introduced a Bitcoin settlement of transactions, the Clarity language for safe contracts that can respond to Bitcoin transactions and atomic swaps of assets like Bitcoin. This major proposed upgrade of Stacks, the Nakamoto release expected 2023, adds important capabilities that will enhance the power of Stacks as a Bitcoin layer. A decentralized two-way Bitcoin peg to move Bitcoin in and out of the layer, and right to Bitcoin transactions secured by Bitcoin finality and fast transactions between Bitcoin blocks. This resulting Stacks layer makes Bitcoin a fully programmable asset in a trustless manner. This can make hundreds of billions of dollars of passive income for Bitcoin capital productiveness, unlock it in decentralized applications, and make Bitcoin the backbone of a more secure Web3. So Bitcoin is the most decentralized, secure, and durable blockchain. Bitcoin is a unique, widely held asset, and the Bitcoin blockchain is the best final settlement layer for transactions. So the SatoshiDEX, the architecture of SatoshiDEX, is designed to leverage the unique capabilities of Stacks blockchain, enabling decentralized finance, DeFi functionalities directly on Bitcoin. This outlines the core components of SatoshiDEX's architecture, including its smart contracts, liquidity pools, and integration mechanisms with the Stacks and Bitcoin, providing a seamless and secure DeFi experience. So SatoshiDEX uses Clarity, a smart contract language used by Stacks. They also have liquidity pool contracts, swap contracts, and governance contracts. So the governance enables token holders to participate in the governance of SatoshiDEX, proposing and voting on changes of the protocol. This includes adjustments to fees, support for new tokens, and updates for the smart contracts code. Liquidity pools are at the heart of SatoshiDEX, enabling the decentralized exchange of assets. Users can become liquidity providers by depositing assets into these pools, receiving liquidity tokens in return. These tokens can earn a portion of the trading fees generated by the pool, incentivizing the provision of liquidity. And they have Bitcoin integration. They also have yield farming and incentives. So SatoshiDEX will offer yield farming opportunity, rewarding users who provide liquidity and participate in governance. And they're going to have integration with Stacks and Bitcoin for proof of transfer, POX, and cross-chain mechanisms. So the features and innovations, they have Bitcoin yield farming, cross-chain swaps, enhanced security measures, decentralized governance, scalable infrastructure, and interoperability and multi-chain support. And the tokenomics for the token, there is a total supply of 10 billion tokens. 30% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 25% liquidity provision. We got 15% team and advisors, 15% ecosystem fund, and 15% staking. And yeah, that is basically about it. So besides utility, you can use the token for governance, fee advantages, liquidity incentives, exclusive access, and staking rewards. And the roadmap goes project, introduction, white paper, community engagement, smart contract development, audits, testnet, pre-sale, token generation event, launch on the Bitcoin network Stacks, mainnet launch, initial liquidity pools, cross-chain functionality, governance system activation, community-driven development, strategic partnerships, advanced trading features, global community events, regular protocol upgrades, sustainability initiatives, research and development, and then probably more to be continued after that. But go check this token out. I'm going to try to remember to leave links down there. If not, Twitter will be right up in the corner, and their webpage is SatoshiDEX.ai. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.